man. So introduce yourself. Tell us about your instrument.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm Makoda from Japan, and I'm playing. I'm kind of string instrument maniac, so I collect many instruments from world, and when I was young, I took over whole world, but one day I noticed it's impossible. So
You try to get every single one?
Yeah. I want to try to get everything, but now sort of I'm focused to more Middle East area,
right?
And
so like
Turkish,
Persian, maybe?
Persian,
Yeah.
yes, Persian, a little bit Arabic, but yeah.
So what's going on here?
This is called
sure.
electric saws.
Electric saws?
It's a traditional acoustic instruments, really popular in Turkey.
This is not traditional.
But this is kind of modern, modern style.
Yeah.
The electric, put on mic.
Nice.
Yeah, mic. You like a guitar humbucking mic.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but still, main general.
Concept.
Electric saws shaped like a traditional, like a kind of teardrops types.
Yeah.
But this is kind of joke,
Yeah.
like
It's like metal.
Yeah, like a metal, like a guitar. So if people not much have a knowledge for instruments, everybody's thinking, oh, I'm playing guitar. Yeah. But like a Jef, it's what's this?
That's Turkish.
It's strange.
So let's hear it.
Strange and the long neck and
I know. I saw that as soon as you took it out. I was like, oh.
Yeah. Like a banjo, like a, So everybody say it's cool,
Super cool.
So
it was great last night with the distortion.
Distortion.
Awesome.
Let me play. Sound. I want to introduce sound. Between different guitars, this is quarter notes.
Right.
Yeah.
So the frets are small.
Yeah, small.
To make a
Yes.
quarter note. Yeah.
This is a half note, and then this is quarter note.
Right.
Yeah.
It's like Beati.
Yeah, sounds like off tune,
So how did you go from living in Japan to getting into this style? What happened there?
I don't know. No, one thing is same Asia. Maybe in somewhere we have a similar feeling. Like Europe, different. Hungary, German, French, it's different. But maybe in the roots, same same things. So. Maybe.
Do you play like the biwa or anything?
Biwa, no, not because Japanese tradition is not going, only now classics.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, classics.
It's not
staying classics. So really, how to say, what can I say?
You needed to maybe grow different place.
Yes.
Cool, man. Well, play a little bit more and let's just see what's happening. It's getting kind of loud there,
Yeah.
thanks everybody. We're gonna roll out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's cool. Thank you,
Okay,
everybody.
so thank
Ciao.
you for watching this.
Yes.
Sayonara.
Sayonara. Don't worry, gato.
どうもありがとう。
Shiva Fest.
Yeah.
Yes.